Hey y'all, how about today I show you a really quick, fast, yummy snack slash lunch in under like 5 minutes. Let's begin. Hey y'all, how about today? Plant-based foodies on. How to make them. Let's begin. Okay, so this is like a really quick, it could be like a snack. It can be just a really quick lunch. And you can start with some tortillas, any size. These are just like some taco size. You can do this on the stove, but I don't have a stove over here and I didn't want to move everything over there. So, you know, I need one of those little burners. I'm going to do it in this. So we're just going to put these on here for like a second, just to soften them so that they're a little more pliable. Grab some tongs. Okay, like literally just a few seconds. And then you're going to spread on there some hummus. And this is just the hummus I make. You could use store-bought hummus as long as it's oil-free. You could do vegan cream cheese. I should make vegan cream cheese in one episode, huh, y'all? So spread some of that on there. It kind of tastes like pizza when it's done, a little, sort of. Because of the Italian flavors, I guess. Okay, so spread some of that on there, and then you're going to top it with some baby spinach. Get those green leafy vegetables in. Now remember, building burritos, you don't feel like you're adding very much, but then all of a sudden you can't close it. And then you're gonna top it with some thinly sliced tomatoes. These are really thinly sliced because I use my mandolin. Not the instrument, the kitchen utensil. And then we're going to top it with just some whole chickpeas, so you get a little extra of that protein in there. Just, you know, out of a can. And then some marinara sauce. We make our own marinara sauce, but you could use store-bought. Just make sure it's oil-free and doesn't have cheese and stuff in it, because so many of those do. And then just some fresh parsley. Tear off the sprig here. Use dried, but remember dried is more potent, so you use less of it. The little baby stems are good too, you can eat all that. There you have it. I hope y'all can see that because it's really pretty. And then just, you know, like we did our wraps the other day, the ends, the little corners, and up. And then the little corners, like a little pocket. And over. And there you go, just to close it up. Again, you could totally do that in the skillet too. So I'm gonna make another one. See how quick and fast this is? Most of us make hummus every week anyways. I feel like sometimes I make it twice a week because I just really like it. So a lot of this is just stuff we already have on hand. So if we can just reuse it in a different way, why not? Spinach, tomatoes, some chickpeas. Okay, so I had a little mishap with my panini press. It went to panini heaven, so I had to finish it on the stove after all. But I just wanted to show y'all what they look like inside. Cut one open. And look how delicious and yummy that is.
So be sure to like and subscribe and share and try the recipes, y'all. Be blessed. Thanks.